Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by locking down references and tools so modeling is fast and accurate. Import interior, posterior, and cross-section kidney images into your scene and set orthographic views. This gives correct proportions. Next, choose Blender or Maya and set units to millimeters to match anatomy. Create a clean folder structure for models, textures, and renders, and enable incremental saves. This prevents data loss. Once done, make sure your scene scale matches references before moving to block out modeling. You now turn silhouettes into form. Block out the kidney with basic meshes, place poles and hilum, and match the reference silhouette. This saves time in sculpting. Once proportions are locked, switch to multi-resolution or sculpt mode and define cortex, medulla, and renal pelvis. Use crease brushes for sharp edges and smooth for soft tissue. After sculpting, retopologize to clean quads, unwrap UVs, and bake normal and AO maps. These steps ensure efficient rigging, shading, and crisp final renders. You finish by giving the kidney life. Add a simple rig with a bend bone at the hilum and optional shape keys for peristaltic motion. This lets you animate contractions. Create shaders with subsurface scattering and layered color maps so tissue looks translucent and realistic, then light with 3-point or H-dry plus fill. Render at 24 to 60 FPS, enable denoising and composite passes for depth and color grading. If artifacts or seams appear, recheck UVs, rebake maps, and adjust normals. One fix usually solves it.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.